Hello everyone, I'm teacher Rafa and today I'll teach you how to make a game called Geometric Centipede. For this game you need a round object to draw circles, a pair of scissors, the ones with rounded tips, and a pencil. You also need colored papers. I've got white, pink, and green. If you can't get colored papers, just use the white one to draw circles and color it later. You can use two different colors. I will put my colored papers together, only two colors now, and start my drawings. I finished drawing my circles and now I just have to cut them. I think it's easier putting the papers together, but if you like, draw the circles on both papers. Let's start. Now that I finished cutting my circles, I've got 6 pink circles and 6 green circles. I'll give 6 pieces to each one of those participants. Let's see what's going to happen. The first one is going to throw a green circle. The second one will choose a pink one. What we want here is to make sure we never put the same color together. We will never use green and green or pink and pink. Should I use green or pink? Let's go with green. Okay, now we have a problem. Can I use green here? No, we cannot do that. So I have to find a pink piece to put together. That's good. Wow, we just finished our geometric centipede. It looks fabulous. What do you think? It was great having you here. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe for everything that's new in Fun with Teacher Rafa. See you next time? I hope so. Bye bye!